This is an initiative from Indian Express. This content is not developed by me or written by me. It is Indian Express article. UPSC Essentials, one word a day. And today's word is ICSE. It is not Education Board, but it is Interpol's International Child Sexual Exploitation. Why it is in news? Because CBI, our Central Bureau of Investigation, has joined Interpol's International Child Sexual Exploitation Initiative. What is ICSE? Again, it is not Education Board. It is Interpol's initiative against child sexual abuse. The ICSE database uses video and image comparison to analyze child sex exploitation material, CSEM. It makes connections between victims, abusers, and places. Using the image and video comparison software, the investigators attempt to identify locations of markers visible in a piece of media. This can be through the signage nearby, the kind of artwork, photos on a wall, etc. The detectives in all 68 countries of the grouping can further exchange information across the world. And you should also know that India is the 60th country to join ICSE. What has ICSE achieved? As of July 2022, over 30,000 victims of child abuse and over 13,000 criminals have been identified by Interpol using this database and software. Why is CBI's joining Interpol's ICSE significant? India is the 68th country to have access to this database and software, as I already mentioned. Interpol's website said that, on average, the database helps identify 7 child victims every day globally. ICSE initiative will help CBI to collaborate with investigators in other countries for detecting child sex abuse, online identifying abusers, victims, and crime scenes from audio-visual clips using specialized software. India reported over 24 lakh instances of online child sexual abuse from 2017 to 2020, with 80% of victims being girls below the age of 14 years, according to Interpol data. More than 60% of unidentified victims were prepubescent, including infants and toddlers. Around 65% of unidentified victims were girls, but severe abuses images were more likely to have boys, the Interpol said on its website. So we should also know what is Interpol. Interpol is the world's largest international police organization with 195 member countries and is headquartered in Lyon, France. Very important question, where is the headquarter of Interpol? It is in Lyon, France. Each member country hosts an Interpol a national central bureau that connects their national law enforcement to it, and in India, the CBI is that nodal agency. So what point is to ponder? What has been India's few steps to fight online child sexual abuse? Please write it in your register. Try to understand the topic, collect data, and just organize things and answer this question by yourselves. Today's MCQ, please solve it. With reference to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, consider the following. It has been asked in UPSC 2010. The first option is right to development, right to expression, the right to recreation. Which of the above is or are the rights of the child? 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. Answer it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Meet you tomorrow.